what do you think of this beach?
Good.
Good? Shake it off. So much fun!
How is it here, Wisten?
It's gorgeous.
Where are we?
We are at a beach.
It's true. We are at a beach.
Tide's rising, so we don't want to get caught. Once we be careful.
It's getting deep. It's deep right now. You might want to wait.
Alright, run!
What was your favorite part so far?
Going to the beach and see a surface and a hermit crab.
Yeah, was that pretty cool? What did we see yesterday on the beach? Horses?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did they go right past us and do a little circle around? How do you think our trip is
I almost just crashed because you're distracting me.
What do you think of our trip so far?
Well, up until now, I thought it was really safe and nice.
Gonna stop this.
But
What's your favorite part so far?
watching Rainier get in the ocean and play in the water.
Was sleeping okay?
Yeah, sleeping's always good. I can always sleep.
Did you sleep okay? Yeah.
Rainier, there's more water out your window. More beaches. But we're all done with beaches. Better hurry though. Rainier, where are we?
At a hotel.
At a hotel, a special hotel. Does it have wolves?
Yeah.
Oh.
Cool.
Look over there on the side.
Oh, look at all those rope coasters. Oh, that's the water slides. Whoa, man, look at that spooky werewolf.
Whoa.
He's spooky. All right.
That's a spooky place, but so cool.
Let me go. That was awesome.
Ready? Ready, set, go.
Way to go, dude. That was cool. What is? We gotta open it. Oh.
Oh my goodness, it's so squishy.
Water park.
My room's gonna be super cool.
Let's see.
I can go that way. See this room?
Wow.
And then there's a bathtub.
There's a tub.
And there's a potty chair.
Yeah.
And there's some beds. And there's a couch right here.
There's a whole. It's like a whole house.
Yeah, it is like a house.
Wow.
What'd you say? Are you excited? Are you happy to be home?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do when you get inside? Play with cars?